Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play chess.com on your mobile device. First, you will need to find the chess.com application in your phone's app store. It is a free download, so simply install it onto your smartphone or tablet. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in with your existing chess.com credentials. This quick setup gets you ready to enjoy chess anywhere. After logging in, you will see the main menu. Take a moment to explore the different options available, including various game modes and features. To start playing, simply tap the play button. You can then choose your preferred time control, such as a rapid 10-minute game or a quick 3-minute blitz match. This allows you to customize your playing experience. Chess.com offers a rich variety of game modes. You can jump into live games for real-time action against players globally, or try daily chess for a more relaxed pace, making moves over several days. Beyond playing, the app provides excellent resources like interactive lessons, challenging puzzles, and in-depth game analysis tools to help you significantly improve your chess skills. To make the most of your mobile chess experience, utilize the intuitive touch controls for accurate piece movements. You can also personalize your game by adjusting board themes and piece styles to suit your preferences. Remember to practice regularly and take advantage of the game analysis feature to review your matches. This consistent effort will help you become a stronger player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.